You only need a few ingredients to make these adorable mini sugar cookies. First, add 1 stick of very soft butter to a bowl. It needs to be soft but not melted. That would change the texture of the cookies. Pour in 4.5 ounces of room temperature sweetened condensed milk, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla is optional, so no worries if you don't have any. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and has the consistency similar to a soft frosting. Finally, add a little over 1 cup of all-purpose flour and mix with a rubber spatula. The dough will be quite soft, and that's what you want. Don't be tempted to add any more flour. Just transfer to a piping bag or a Ziploc bag with a hole cut in one corner and carefully pipe small portions of dough onto a lined baking sheet. Pat each cookie down gently with your finger, then you can optionally add your favorite sprinkles or just leave them as is. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for between 5 to 8 minutes depending on your oven and the size of your cookies. You can eat them on their own or add to a bowl and fulfill your childhood dreams of having cookie cereal. Check out one of these other great videos and subscribe to Dish for new daily content.